So you discover that pike push-ups are one of the best bodyweight shoulder exercises available, but you also discover that you're unable to do even one pike push-up at the moment. If that's the case, then don't worry, because in this video I share with you a very simple way for you to get started on your pike push-ups. So if you're unable to do a pike push-up at the moment on a flat ground, then what you want to do is to perform them on an inclined surface, which means you're going to be placing your hands on an elevated surface and do your pike push-ups this way. Now the key thing to keep in mind here is that you still need to press above your head, because that's the way you're going to be targeting your shoulders. So in order to make this happen, you need to adjust your body so you can get yourself in an angle where you can press above your head. So you're going to be having that forward bend from your hips, and since your hands are on your elevated surface, you're not going to be able to press down towards the ground as you would in a normal pike push-up. Instead, you're going to focus on pressing the object that you're leaning on straight forward. And again, that's going to depend on how inclined your hands are going to be. But in this example, you can see me, it's fairly inclined, and my priority here is to focus on pressing the object straight forward, and this way I'm able to press with my hands above my head, targeting the shoulders, by just lifting less resistance than I would on a flat ground. And hey, if you get some value from this video, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there for more similar videos in the future. Now, the more elevated your hands are going to be, the easier it's going to be, and the closer your hands get towards the ground, the harder it's going to be. So this is something you can adjust when it comes to your current strength levels. But did you know there's even more very effective bodyweight shoulder exercises? So for that reason, I highly encourage you to have a look at this series right here. It's going to teach you the best bodyweight shoulder exercises. And if you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, so I appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a warrior body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.